Now, what do we have here?
69 F100.
69 F100. And how come you bought this and when?
Well, actually, I didn't buy it. This was Papa gave this to me.
Oh, is that right?
This was Papa Hart's old cattle truck.
Oh boy, the old cattle
It
truck.
started off as a F350. We cut it down, put Crown Vic suspension under it. It's got rocket pinion steering now.
Yeah.
Disc brake. It's all air rod. Still got the original 4-speed transmission.
Oh, how neat.
351 went. Took the big block out, put a small block in it.
I'm going to throw you in the back of that.
Okay.
I'm going to let Josh run you up. If you want to get dropped off,
Josh,
you need to go.
God bless you. It's nice to see you.
Good to see you.
He wants me to drop him off. I got somebody waiting to go up.
I'll be filming the parade here shortly.
This thing will probably be around the rest of the day.
Pretty. Oh my goodness gracious sakes alive. That's a real. Look at that, folks. Now, June, you're on film with this one. What's this, a 1969?
Yep.
What's that young fella's name?
Owen.
Owen? Nice to meet you, Owen. Nice to meet you. Fantastic. Josh, you're getting it all fixed up, aren't you?
Yeah.
See you a little later up at the parade. June's going to run me up there in her little Renegade Jeep.